Hello, happy homeowners, man here with Heartwood Art. Looking for an auger bit for your drill? I got you covered. Watch this. This works perfectly. Let me show you. It makes a perfect little hole for this periwinkle, also called myrtle. Look at that. This particular set comes with 2 bits, and this one is about 3 inches across, and this one is about 1.5 inches across, and they're about 9 inches long. Now I set my drill up on the highest torque level, but be careful of that, because if these bits get caught on a rock or something, it's going to twist pretty violently on you. So go a little slower if you've got rocky soil or you're digging through roots. I got mine on Amazon. Look for the link in the description. And thanks for using it to support this channel. And I'll see you around the house.